Hi guys, my name is Adnan Hasbi, and I'd like to welcome you to, one of my random thoughts video, which I'm going to make. As you guys know, I'm going to go more and more informal and more random, off the wall. So anyway, I was driving on the way back to the kampong, I guess, and I just wanted to show you guys this, which is nature. Yeah, and while driving over here, I felt so abundant, so grateful, so amazing. I don't know whether you guys can see the sunset in the horizon. It's so pretty, and just wanted to share with you how blessed we are over here in Malaysia. But sometimes, where we focus is where our actions would be. So I want all of us to maybe, I guess, also a reminder to myself that we should maybe try to focus on abundance, and we look at all of this. Know that right now we live in an age where there's so much of information. If you want to start a business, we can Google it, and there's some businesses which is zero cost. There's drop shipping and whatnot. Just wanted to just share with you guys this little thing which I'm seeing. Uh, yeah, and know that looking at nature, and we are part of nature, and seeing how abundant nature is, I just wanted to share with you guys this random thought. All right, guys, take care.